I be rolling with the squad, we be going so hard like whoa. You know what it is, and we always get it in.
What's good, YouTube? So with this video, we're gonna be doing basically a restoration of the hood again. And yeah, so during transport or whatever the case was, my hood got pretty much damaged with the tape that I put on it. The clear coat peeled off. I didn't do it. It's totally my fault because I didn't do a good sealer. I didn't really polish it really either. But yeah. But for today's video, we're gonna be pretty much, I already took the hood off, used this. It only got what? It's only two 12mm bolts. For today, we got some 1500 grit. I know a lot of you guys was asking what grit sanding grit that I have. This is 1500 grit. And also if your sound damage still ain't going with 1500 grit, you might need to lower it to, I'll say probably about 800 grit. And keep doing it, you know what I mean, or whatever. But yes, this car has the full carbon front end. We're gonna go turn the lights on right here. And as you can see, got the DRLs and everything like that with the GTR style headlights. Of course you have the original turbo, but yeah, man, we're gonna go out back and everything. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can clear this hood once again. Unfortunately, it's on my behalf, so I'm gonna be a little bit more instructive on this time that I'm clearing the hood. But yeah, so far right now, last time I did it by hand. I'm not doing that again. I'm not stressing it. I'm not gonna stress myself out. So we got some 1500 sand grit. Sandpaper grit. So yeah. Yes. Before you say anything, I have the carbon hood on the ground. I don't care about, you know, this car, this fucking hood right here. The bottom of it doesn't matter. If you feel some type of way, please send me, please do me a favor and send me a stand. I'll happily do this. If y'all buy me a stand, congratulations, I'll do it. But yeah, man, we're just chilling with the vibes and everything. And then we're gonna start the process on the wet sanding. I'm gonna just throw this bucket of water. I'm gonna just do a quick little tutorial, I guess. Here we go. As you can see right there, right here, this almost through the clear coat. I'm almost through the clear coat. The carbon fiber is just starting to show. So that's a good sign. Like over here, the clear coat, this little residue is almost through the clear coat. That's what we want. So yeah, I'm gonna keep at it. And yeah, 1500 grit, guys. Probably ain't got the app no more, but anyways. Hey, now it's going?
Yeah.
All right. What's good, y'all? So I kind of procrastinated a little bit. So the machine, this little doohickey right here was not doing the justice. Honestly, the whole 600 grit was not doing as well. I procrastinated on this for about a week. It's Thursday now. I started on this Sunday. But if we come over here a little bit, I was afraid. I really didn't want to do this. I stopped using this sander gun or whatever you want to call it. I don't really know the name of it. And I started basically doing this by hand. This was my last resort. I really didn't want to, but the gun the batteries kept dying and the gun was just not doing it justice. So, I mean, obviously, what's better than machine power, manpower? So I just started using all my hands and everything like this. So unfortunately, I've been out here for probably not even 20 minutes. I also went back to Harbor Freight, and I also went to go get 400 grit. I was using 600 grit Right here, I was using 600 grit for the time being. It was not doing justice. The sandpaper is pretty cheap. Only paid like $5 for each one. I got 1,500 or whatever the case is. This only cost like $5.50 or something like that. So, I mean, material wise, this stuff is pretty cheap. But if you guys want to do this yourself, like I said, it's simple, easy, and I'm gonna just keep you guys updated with, you know, how I'm doing everything. So right now I'm just pretty much cleaning this by hand, and yeah, but that's all I want to keep you guys updated, and yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, I need y'all to see this close and personal. So right now I got a wet rag, and I'm just pretty much going over it's still dry right now. Like you see the dry spots right here. Like, let's see, right here. So it's still pretty sanded down. I want to explain this as best as possible. So pretty much whenever you wet the carbon fiber, it basically mimics what clear coat, what it will look like with clear coat on. So right now I gave it a final wipe down. I'm trying to get all of the contaminants, soap, anything that I left, anything that I left behind that I think that will get underneath the clear coat. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna change locations, and we're gonna put it inside of the garage, and we're gonna clear coat it in there. Mainly because it's more of an enclosed, nothing can get on it or anything like that. So right now, we're gonna let it dry up. We're gonna do a very good cleanup. Make sure nothing's on there. Wipe it down really good. We're gonna spray it one more time with some cleaning spray. And then after that, we're gonna start applying this clear coat. And yes, I did it again. I got this one right here. We got some more of this right here. 2K Clear Glamour 3680061. We got some of this. Once again, I'm gonna use this. Yes, I'm gonna use this again. Last time I did not buff and polish, but this time I promise you I will. So with this right here, it should do the good job, and we're gonna finish it off with a little bit better than what we did last time. So yeah, we don't want to make that mistake of fucking up the hood one more time. So yes, guys, so pay attention. This stuff is magic. All right, guys, so I already started. I don't have anybody to record for me, so we're just gonna do it like this. We pretty much sprayed probably like 3 coats right now. We're gonna get out of this garage because it's kind of getting crazy in here. That's why I got the garage door up. Other than that, yeah, we sprayed 3 coats just to start off with. We're gonna let this sit probably 20, 30 minutes, and then we'll come back at it and hit it again. So yeah. All right, guys, I let the clear coat, everything sit overnight. It's been about a day right now, and I wet sanded it one more time with about 1,500 grit sandpaper. Now I'm gonna start the polishing. I got some of this stuff. It's not the best. I didn't do this good of a job on this one because I really got tired of like wet sanding, to be honest. And bro, I just couldn't take it, bro. I just didn't want to fucking keep wet sanding the whole fucking time. So I just got tired of it. Now I'm just gonna polish it and whatever the case is, and hope for the best. It don't come out right, cool. I can do the process again some other time or pay somebody else to do it at this point. But now I got some of this stuff right here. Supposedly it's good stuff. Other than that, guys, I mean, this process is pretty much complete. I got this pad right here. Gonna stick this right here, little polishing pad. I got another one in there also. It's a little bit better, but it's pretty much gonna wrap the video up because I don't want to make this video too long. So I appreciate you guys. If you're new here, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the video. It's your boy KP the Goat, and I'm out. Yay! What's good, YouTube? What's good? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy K Pizzle. And look, man, I just did a full polish and everything on this front end. Like, oh my God, the carbon is 2 different colors right now, and I can see it under the light. Bro, look at this shit. This shit is a lot darker than this one because this shit looks gray right here. Like, let me put it in one perspective like that. Look, it was zoomed in. You can see this a lot darker, but it could be the simple fact that I just put that new clear coat on there, but who knows? Anyways, it still looks good. Shit looks fucking delicious, dude. Holy crap. God damn, who the fuck? I'm so proud of myself. All right, man, look, this is the scene right now. We got a whole bunch of boosted VQs, everything. Look, that's Nismo Dunny right here. We got VHR Blake. We got a whole bunch of shit all right here. Let's go. Hugo right here. Oh, shit, let's get it.